right ear, the left ear. Article 27 of the Revised Penal Code. Section 1. Duration of penalties. Reclusion perpetua. Any person sentenced to any of the perpetual penalties shall be pardoned after undergoing the penalty for 20 years and 1 day to 40 years, unless such person, by reason of his conduct or some other serious cause, shall be considered by the Chief Executive as unworthy pardon. Reclusion temporal. The penalty of reclusion temporal shall be from 12 years and 1 day to 20 years. Prison mayor and temporary disqualification. The duration of the penalties of prison mayor and temporary disqualification shall be from 6 years and 1 day to 12 years, except when the penalty of disqualification is imposed an accessory penalty, in which case its duration shall be that of the principal penalty. Prison correctional, suspension and destierro. The duration of the penalties of prison correctional, suspension and destierro shall be from 6 months and 1 day to 6 years, except when suspension is imposed as an accessory penalty, in which case its duration shall be that of the principal penalty. Aristo mayor. The penalty of aristo mayor shall be from 1 month and 1 day to 6 months. Aristo minor. The penalty of aristo minor shall be from 1 day to 30 days. Ban to keep the peace. The ban to keep the peace shall be required to cover such period of time as the court may determine.